Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Monticello, local and long-distance movers near me. When transporting your belongings from your current location to a distance of over 50 miles, it's normal to worry. Some of your belongings are delicate and there's a chance of them getting damaged. Another issue is that it may take time for your belongings to get to your new location, and this may affect how soon you can settle in. The cost of hiring long-distance movers is another issue. At 3 Movers, we lay all your fears to rest. Our long-distance moving rates are very affordable, and we work with authorities in charge of intrastate moves and interstate moves. We also have insurance that covers risk during the move. Our movers are very careful with your belongings as well. They separate fragile items from heavy items and are very cautious when loading them into the trucks. Our moving trucks are also fit to transport belongings over long distances. Local moves cover a distance less than 50 miles from your current location. 3 Movers also offers adequate and efficient local moving services. We have fully established our operations in Monticello, so immediately you reach out to us, we assign a team to your location. Our moving rates are the cheapest you can find anywhere. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. We give locals access to outstanding services at budget-friendly rates. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Monticello moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.